Hi there, how are you? So today I'm going to help you understand few passages, and through passage we are going to learn about literary techniques. Hmm. Sometimes they sound a little difficult, but we are going to make it simple. Okay? So let's begin. The first thing is we are going to read a passage. Let me share the passage with you quickly. Okay, there you go. Now, are you able to see the passage? Yes? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay. So please read the passage. Yes. The rain hammered against the tin roof while Mia stood silently by the window beyond the glass. The empty playground looked strangely alive, as though every swing and climbing frame was waiting for someone who never came. Sounds a little sad as well. Now, today, we are going to learn about it. So let's go for it. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you? How is your day today? Oh, great to hear that. Yes, okay. So today we are going to solve and understand how to know more about literary techniques used in this passage. And through this, we are going to solve many things. Yes. So the first thing is the first part says the rain hammered against the tin roof. Oh, the rain hammered? Oh, yes, we know that people can hammer, but then how can rain? Yeah. So this is personification. And personification means that the rain is described as if it can hammer like a person using a hammer. And this gives the rain power and energy. So with this, we move to the second part, that is imagery. That is the second literary technique which is used over here. Now, here it says Mia. Oh, there is a girl named Mia stood silently by the window beyond the glass, the empty playground. Okay, so here the author has used a descriptive language to help readers, that is us, to imagine the scene. Hmm? And we can picture Mia, oh, how she might be feeling, and right? The rain and the empty playground. Now she's just looking outside. Oh, the playground is empty. Oh, I could go over there and swing, play on swing, right? So over here now, imagination has been used, and we can imagine by just reading this part. We can create our imagination as well. Now, third is third literary technique is simile. What is simile? The empty playground looked strangely alive, as though every swing and climbing frame was waiting. And over here, we can understand the phrase as though compares the playground to something alive. Hmm? So similarity has been shown, and climbing frame was waiting. It helps us to imagine unusual scene. Hmm? And the fourth one, this is the last thing that I'm going to share over here. It is personification again. So every swing and climbing frame was waiting for someone who never came. Why? Because swings and climbing frames cannot really wait. Hmm? These are things created by human, but then the author gives them human qualities. So personification is a part of the grammar where we give the human qualities to something which is not alive, and this makes the playground seem lonely and emotional. Now, let's understand how these techniques help us. So first thing first, personification, which we have already read, makes the storm feel loud and powerful and dramatic. So the rain hammered. Hmm? So that's what we can think. And imagery helps us clearly picture the setting, making the story more engaging. We just get connected with the story when we read these kind of things. And that's why imagery is being used. And similarly, well, it encourages us to imagine the playground hmm, as almost alive. And it also creates a mystery in our mind. And the fourth one, waiting for someone, that is personification. So it makes us feel sad and wonder why nobody has come over there, right? We can have questions like that. And now through that, we understand what all things the author, the writer is able to do. So the passage shows it is quiet, lonely, and mysterious because stormy weather, the rain hammered, which makes the whole scene that we can imagine feel gloomy, right? Many feel sad. Many people feel sad when it is about to rain, when they see the dark cloud. Hmm? And describing Mia over there standing silently suggests that she might be thoughtful or sad. So she might be thinking, oh, I wish I could go out and play on swings, right? Like that. And over here, they have also shown empty playground, which normally would be full of children, right? When you go out to the in the playground, you see that sometimes you need to stand to wait for your turn to play on swings. But then over here, it shows that it is empty. The playground is empty. And he, I mean, he or she, the author, has also used personification. And why? To make the playground seem as if it is waiting for someone, hmm, creating a sense of loss and mystery. Why? Because now the playground is empty, no children, no one is playing outside, right? Sorry. And over here, we can also see that there is a simple strategy. Oh, what is that simple strategy of literary technique? We can find that out. We can use SPOT. What is SPOT? SPOT. That is scan for descriptive words and interesting phrases. Hmm? Pick out any comparison with sounds or objects acting like people and observe how the language makes you feel or what picture is created. And then T talks about tell what technique it is and explain why the author has used it. So through this, we can use all the literary techniques, right? So this is a shortcut. Mm. So, for example, the rain hammered personification and makes the storm seem strong and noisy. And the second thing, playground looked strangely alive. It's a simile and personification, creates mystery and loneliness, right? So I'll see you in the next class. If you have any doubt, do let me know and we will share and we will understand. And we have many other things to learn. Okay. See you then. Bye bye.